Hello, in this video I'm going to show you my 5 top tricks for your INFINIX Note 30 Pro camera. First of all, if you want to get more details on the photos, I can recommend you to use the 108 and 8 megapixel mode. So after taking the photo, you can find a lot of details on the preview. Take a look. Next, you are also able to smoothly zoom in and zoom out by holding your finger on selected preset and using this slider. Next, you can also click on the right upper corner where you can find some filters. As you can see, it is changing the color and the temperature on our photos. Next, you can also swipe up with your finger where you can find other useful options. For example, you can use the Pro mode, where you can actually adjust every parameter like the exposure compensation, shutter speed, white balance, and the focus. You can also find the volume buttons on the right side, and when you click on the volume up or down, you can actually take the photos. When you click and hold one of this button, you are going to take the series of the photos. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.